Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'll be doing a review on a 2018 F250 6.7 liter diesel Powerstroke engine. Give you guys a walk around real quick, and then I'll show you the interior, show you the engine bay, and go over a couple other features with the truck. There's your F250, nice big chrome logo, 6.7 liter Powerstroke badge, turbo diesel. Right here we have the keypad on the door. Very nice looking truck. It's a 4x4. This is the long bed edition. Sits pretty high off the ground, so it makes it a little more difficult to get in and out of because it does not have the running boards. Nice big Ford badge in the back with the Super Duty engraved in the back bumper. Have your backup camera right there. This truck is a work truck, and so it's basically used for well, basically built for doing work, not really much of a luxury truck, so it just has all the basics to it. Nice big front chrome grille. You got the E-shaped lights. Got your tow hooks in the front. I'm gonna pop the hood and show you guys the engine. You also have your Super Duty engraved in the hood. Have the hood up on there. Like I said, this is a turbo diesel engine. Not very much space under here left over after the engine. So your battery sit right there up front. Now I'm going to take you to the interior and show you around. It does have the keyless entry on the door. It's your standard key that comes with the truck. Before I show you guys the inside, let me show you right here. This is where your diesel goes and your DEF fluid. Alright, let's go to the inside. Right away when you open the door, you notice how much space the truck has. It has a ton of space. The back seat goes on for days. Two-tone trimming on the door. Power windows. Plenty of storage room. Also, you have pockets on the back of the seats. You have your power supply. Cup holders. It does not have a open window in the back, no split window, anything like that, no sunroof. This is, like I said, it's the basic model. This is mainly built to do work with. Also, like I was saying, it does have no step up, so if you're short, you have a hard time getting in this model here. Okay, now we have the truck running. This is the nice display that you have once you start it up. A few controls here and there. You got display mode, trip, fuel, towing, off-road settings, and I like how they got the Built For It Tough logo sitting right there. That's nice. These are all your controls. You got the CD radio, all those good controls. Numbers for your phone. Come on down. Nice knobs, man. Everything is nice to the touch, man. Everything is hard plastic to the touch, though. Like I said, this is a work truck. You got a speaker right up here in the middle. Sound system is volume wise is definitely good. I like how they got the Super Duty engraved in the dash. That is nice. Overall, it's a nice, comfy truck. Great for work. Sunglass holder. Nice Ford symbol on the windshield. You have your 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Let's see what happens when you turn that. Yep. Back down in 2. Trailer braking and all that. See, trailer disconnected. It has a lot of information in the information system. Like I said, you got display mode. Your tires up there. All that good stuff. That's how much gas is in it. It says 526. Not sure if it's gonna get the whole 526, but you know, if you get 400 out of that much, that's good on the diesel truck. Let's see, fuel, it's somewhere around 14 per gallon. It's pretty good for a diesel truck. You do have your third seat right here, but it is used as an armrest also. Kind of don't like how they got this part. It looks tacky, but it is what it is on that part. That's the front of the truck, man. Like I said, very nice. Now, if you get the like a King Ranch or a Platinum Edition, I think all this might be like a leather, a soft touch. It definitely have the leather seats and bigger screen right here. It does have the reverse. Let's see the Crown Vic in the back. Yep. All that good stuff. For the most part, it's a nice truck. Automatic lights, or you can turn them on yourself. Got your cargo light right there to the left. Timer or whatever on that side. I don't like how they got the lock buttons. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but the lock buttons on the side is, I mean, they had enough space right here. They could have just, you know, put it right there. But it does lock and everything when you put it in gear and all that good stuff. Your big mirrors. It also does tell you the temperature outside on the display. On that, that's the outside and the inside of the F250. Hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, until next time.